welcome back. So over the course of, I guess, the next 2 or 3 evenings, we are planning on finishing up the siding on the smaller dormer.
Yes, we're gonna do the sides, the sides of the dormer siding, and then, geez, I know. And then we also got to do the soffit and also the fascia around the dormer also. And then once that's all said and done, we got to finish the metal roofing that wraps around, and that's finito, done on that dormer.
Yes, we also wanted to mention that along the bottom part of the dormer, we have a mesh that's in there, and that is what is allowing for airflow and drainage, but preventing the bugs to get up there. So
yes,
I guess that's it. We got to get out of here. The sun is right in my eyes. Ready to go?
Let's go.
All right.
You started a fire somewhere deep in my mind. See the barbed wire, the place is prolonged wide. 'Cause I don't know if it'll be enough, or if they really care. There's a stairway down for the both of us, but let's not go there. You got me thinking, whoa, I don't know how we got here. Oh my, I think we better run. We ought to leave this place tonight, I'm telling you. Pack up your suitcase, we'll find a new place. We'll cross the border, can't stay no longer in this town. Somehow in this small place, minds begin to shrink when everyone is too fake. Their hope eventually sinks, 'cause I don't know if it'll be enough, or if there's a way out. There's a stairway down for the both of us, but I won't have it. You got me thinking, whoa, I don't know how we got here. Oh my, I think we better run. We ought to leave this place tonight, I'm telling you. Pack up your suitcase, we'll find a new place. We'll cross the border, can't stay no longer in this town. I don't wanna waste no time, feel it coming now, it's a sign. Never felt like this in my life, not waiting a minute, awaken my spirit now.
You climbed up a tree? sides of the dormer, we're gonna start installing the soffit and wrapping the metal.
I like it.
Everything is angles. Angles everywhere. We have to do test cut pieces. How many?
It's all curves working with you. Just saying.
They're funny.
Oh,
Does it fit?
good. Actually a 44-degree cut, Aaron. I mean, I've been telling you that the entire time, you know? You know?
Angles just aren't Josh's thing.
Curves are, though.
Well, you know what they say. There are no kingdoms without
Got it?
love.
Nice.
Are you ready for change? We could be kings and queens every day. On the
If you build an A-frame, do yourself a favor and keep a book of all the angles and where they are.
than the bravest. So let's go, stop the race. We should be kings and queens every day. You've been trying to find your crown, happy camper through the ups and downs, keeping calm, winning ground. Let's build castles now. We'll make gold on our way up, through them trees before we reach them tops. Oh no, half isn't enough. Let's build castles now. Well, you know what they say. There are no kingdoms without rulers. Are you ready for change? We could be kings and queens every day. On the law,
Done.
we are brave. Yes, even braver than the bravest. So let's go, stop the race.
So the smaller dormer is done for now.
It's done. So we got all the metal around the roof and all that stuff's done. The only thing we did not finish is we didn't finish sealing around the window and actually putting a sill in front of the window too. So that's not done yet, but we'll probably put that on the next video. It's not much work. We'll probably just squeeze it in the next one.
Yeah,
Right.
because I guess next we're going to start the other dormer.
I guess so.
Yes, which means I have more Shou Sugi Banning to do and I'm not looking forward
well,
to
I'm
that.
at work, so
Yes.
it's a win-win for me, obviously.
Yeah, you get to get away with not doing it.
Yep.
It's fun at first for the first little bit, but then like you know, board after board after board.
It
Pretty old.
gets boring.
Yeah, it does. So I guess that's it. It feels really good to have that done. I mean, it looks great. Love the contrast with the metal roof.
Yep.
One more thing checked off our list.
Yeah, it's getting close.
Yeah. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
See ya.
Doesn't feel good, does it? Hurts, right? It sting?
Oh wow, sweetie, in the tree?
Yeah.
Look at you. In the tree. Look. Raindrop born on my head. Is that how it goes?
You're huffing and puffing.
To my
might
farm
I
chores? I fed you today, didn't I? Oh. You're not recording me, are you?
add? Oh, I'm recording you. I'm going to document
That's
this.
not my fault, you know what I mean?
What's not your fault?
I gotta slop all that food in the trough for you and you go at it.
Okay. Were you or were you not eating fudge by the spoonful today?
What?
Yeah.
No,
Oh, yes.
That's not true.
Oh, yes. Yeah. In fact, you still got a little bit in your beard.